Welcome to your 4-minute daily tarot. This is going to be for Tuesday, March 12th. All right, so let's take a look at the cards that we have for today. We got the Three of Earth, which is the Three of Pentacles in the traditional tarot. We got the Fire Alpha Male, which is the King of Wands, and then we got the Three of Fire in reverse, which is the Three of Wands in reverse. The Three of Earth is talking all about collaboration, some sort of teamwork that is going to lead to an increase in finances, achieving a goal in this material world. And then the Fire Alpha Male comes up, and that's talking about leadership. That's talking about knowing what to do to get things done. So what I'm feeling like is you might be taking the lead on something today. It's a time to collaborate, to listen to what others have to say, but don't hold your ideas back. If you have an idea to progress something forward, then it is a time to speak up, to take the lead on that. Now, the Three of Fire in reverse is talking about setbacks and delays, but it's talking about setbacks and delays that are probably for the highest and best good, even if you don't see it. So I'm feeling like you're working towards something, and then I just get this vision of somebody's computer crashing or something with technology, or somebody maybe not doing their part, and there's some sort of delay, and you're just like, oh my gosh. But what we don't see is the divine timing and the divine plan. So if you do experience a delay today, and I hope you don't, but if you do, then everything's working out in divine timing. This is also kind of an overall message for you. If you don't experience a delay today, but you just, in general, feel like you wish things would move a little quicker, it's not meant to right now, is pretty much what the card is saying. So I want to give a little extra time for our clarification cards because 3 came out, so I will put these up. These are from the Butterflies of Change Oracle card deck, as I feel like a lot of us are shifting. So the first card that we get is moving. We then get emotions. We get a new exercise program. So it might be a day to get moving is what I'm feeling like. Get outside in nature. Do something physically to help you process some of these emotions. Because actual physical exercise, whether it be yoga or walking outside, it doesn't have to be intense, or it can be super intense if you're just feeling it today. But any sort of movement helps us process these emotions rather than just sitting in them. You could be preparing to move actual locations. You could be possibly wanting to move. This paired with the emotions card, you might have a feeling like you're feeling stuck and you're wanting to move forward. And then the new exercise program, it can be talking about a new exercise program, or it could be talking about just a new program in general. So if you're wanting to move forward and you're feeling these emotions of maybe frustration or feeling stuck or stagnant, know that something is going to shift, and you might have to make some internal shifts or shifts to your daily habits or daily routines to kind of get the ball rolling on this. Let me see if I'm getting anything else. I'm feeling like emotions will be moving through you, is what I just got. And again, we're in Mercury retrograde, and the cards kind of said there's collaboration, but maybe you're feeling a little stuck, or maybe there's a bit of a delay. Allow any emotions that come up to process. See them for what they are, but don't hold on to them. That's really what I'm getting. Move the emotions. Don't get stuck in them. Okay? Have a beautiful day. Love and light.